Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy crab dip. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1/8 ounce block of softened cream cheese, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, and 8 ounces of lump crab meat. For flavor, grab 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Have an 8x8 inch baking dish ready for the next step. Now let's create the creamy base for our dip. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, combine your softened 8-ounce block of cream cheese with the 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Next, add the 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and a small squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Stir everything together really well until the mixture is completely smooth and uniform. This ensures a delicious, consistent flavor throughout your dip. With our creamy base ready, it's time for the star ingredient, the crab meat. Gently fold in the 8 ounces of lump crab meat. Be careful not to break up the delicate crab too much, as we want nice chunks in our dip. Once combined, spoon the entire mixture into your prepared 8x8 inch baking dish. Pop it into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, or until bubbly and golden. Your delicious, easy crab dip is now ready to enjoy. Carefully remove it from the oven. It will be hot and bubbly. For a touch of freshness and color, you can garnish it with some freshly chopped parsley or chives. Serve this warm, savory appetizer immediately with your favorite dippers. Crackers, toasted pita bread, or crisp vegetable sticks like celery and carrots are perfect choices. Enjoy this crowd-pleasing treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.